Hello everyone, welcome back to another trading session. Today I'll be taking some trades. Today market looks very good. I just entered my first trade. I don't know what these gems are going to do for me. This is my first trade. We broke this doji, and also we are in a red-green pattern in a ranging market. Have some good opportunities on common point of rejection as well. I believe we need to get a red candle here. Then I will take the next one with the buyers, but with less amount, okay? Let's just see how this trade is going to close. Today's market looks very nice. It looks very good. Yeah. Oh, this beautiful gap up in the favor of sellers. Okay, straight to... It's going to close right now. I'll take the next candle with the buyers, but with less amount, okay? With 250. Let's go. We also got a margin of safety here. I take this with 250 because it's because I don't have any other setup other than having an outside bar, having the retracement, and then expecting to have a green one. I don't see any other reason here to take a buy. That's why I took it with 250. I also do not see a higher high compared to previous high here. That's my reason to take it slow. If I was seeing a higher high compared to previous high, and also a little bit of gap down, I would take it with regular amount, which is 1,000. Let's see how this trade is going to close. I kind of want to take the next candle with the bars as well, but yeah, it's a losing trade. The next candle has this gap down. Let me just take this one. Let's go. I would love to see this huge gap down on this candle. Anyways, this is still 250 and I don't have proper setup. This is there's a point on these two trades that if we don't have a setup, we would if we don't have a setup, we would take it very small. Okay, sometimes you really want to take a trade, but you avoid taking, and that becomes a winning trade, even though it's risky. Okay, but since you didn't really take any trade on it, it will make you think that it's your fault that you didn't take it, and now that's a winning trade. You do not pay attention that that's actually a bad trade, even though it's a winning trade. That's why sometimes I take very small trades on bad trades, and it reminds me that the reason why it's lost is I don't have proper setup. Now I will look for other good opportunity, proper setup, and take with my regular amount. Oh, we have this third touch breakout. It looks very good. I'll try to find a very good one. Nice little decision point right here inside this. Look at this. Let me just mark this for you, then I will explain. And we have this one. Yellow, and I'll make this green. Okay. This is a very respected resistance area. Let me show you. Like we have a 2-touch resistance here, and then it's broken. Next time price reacted from this decision point, but this was not a very strong decision point because this is only 2 touches. And then we have this one. See, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This resistance is pretty strong. Respected many times. And then the breakout happens after this demand is created. Now, if I want to go to a lower time frame, you can already see. I can see a fresh demand. There we go. This is the fresh demand. This would be my entry. Oh shit. I messed it up. Wait. Yeah. This red area would be the area that once it touched, I would get into the trade. Okay? Go back to 1 minute. You would win the trade just like that. Okay? Even if you consider this as a non-touching area, you could take the next one and win right here. This is called decision point trading. That's very simple. Now, let's analyze another setup. If I mark this support area and make it blue, you'll see that market used to come down, right? And then created this support, it went up, and then it broke it right here. Okay? So, what is causing this breakout? There can be a lot of causes for this breakout. One of them would be this one. This little supply causing breakout. I'll make it this color. Now, next time price will reject from something inside this white area. You can see that? This is the area. Now, if I want to create another, this would be the supply. That would be the entry. This one. Okay? Now, some people may notice something even better. Look at this one. This is an order block. How order block works, same as decision point, but order block has fair value gap. Okay? This is called fair value gap. Now, it still acts like a supply, this one. And if I go to lower time frame, exactly. Boom. This is the entry for this order block, which would be a losing trade. Okay? So now, let's analyze this one as well. This risky decision point. All right, this risky decision point have this entry, this red zone right here. Now let's go back to 1 minute. This would be the entry for this one. So now how many setups do you see on the chart right now? Okay, on this from 19 right now, it's 2015. It's about 1 hour, right? On one pair. 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see 4 setups, and they are similar setups. Which one of them was a losing trade? This one was a losing trade, and 3 of them were winning trades. Simple as that. Okay? Now, in my opinion, this setup was very good. This setup also very good. I wouldn't take these two. Okay, so I would take only 2 trades on this pair. This one and this one. That's how you can analyze the chart. Go and see what is causing what, which breakout comes from where, you know. That will help you to kind of sharpen your eyes. All right, we have a doji here, but let me see. We have market sequence, and this is the okay. If you break this doji, I would take this. We have also common point of rejection right? So, oh shit, we didn't break that. No, we didn't break that. That's sad. I'll keep looking for other pairs, other opportunities. Let me just take this. Boom. Did I even take a good entry? I don't know. This is a QM trade. I'm not sure if I took the best entry. Let me see. We have a 5-minute engulf, but I think this would be the better entry. Oh shit, we lost this trade. That's fine. Okay, we lost this QM trade. My bad. For QM trades, do not try to go against the momentums like this. They usually, especially if there's no significant gap between the candles, they are pretty strong momentums. And yeah, sometimes you lose, sometimes you win. If you go against the momentums, it's better to not to go. Oh, we broke the doji finally on this candle. We could take this one. No shit. I was looking for this breakout. It finally happened. I didn't catch the trade. Alright. I like this. Please close down here. No. I don't like that anymore. I'm sorry, it's taking too much time for finding a good trade. The market is not good anymore. Okay, I took a trade right now. I took the risk of... Yeah, that was a winning trade. This was based on common point of rejection again. You can clearly see. And the point is we are in an area in the market that most likely market would try to at least reject a little bit, even if it wants to go up. Because this is an order block. And this is the fair value gap, and now we're in an area that market can easily reject. Let me show you something. Oh, we don't have lower time frame supply. We do have one. I'm not sure. Yeah, this would work. Look at this line. This would be the entry for this overlap, and it would be a winning trade. This is in fact the doji break that we were waiting on this candle, and it rejected. It didn't break. It's because it touched the lower time frame supply area inside this order block. Okay. Now I'm gonna keep looking. Oh shit! This one was 61%. No. Okay, I got 2 more. Let's go. Beautiful. Boom. Nicely done. This is another common point of rejection. Even the next candle can be a red one, but I'm not going to take it. I really like to take some sells right here, or common point of rejections. Okay, now I'm going to go to lower time frame. 30. Okay, I'm going to take this one. Beautiful setups are popping up. My God. This entry. I hope it doesn't disappoint me. This is a very respected support. And then right after support, we have this fair value gap, and this is the order block. And this is a beautiful trade. Oh my God, this is beautiful. All right, I'm officially done with this session. I had 3 losses back to back, but that's fine. The next video, I'm trying to prepare the Q&A video as soon as possible because I want to create something very nice and answer most of the common questions. Probably I will have 2 or 3 more sessions until hit 30k and then post the Q&A video. Anyways, it will be announced in the Telegram channel. First link in the description. Thank you for watching and peace out.